Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamagani to all of you. Welcome bachcho, welcome once again to today's class. I hope all of you are amazing, wonderful and awesome as always. Alright guys, कैसे हैं सारे बच्चे? Hello. Good evening बच्चा. Who and all are here? Hello Dheeraj, hello Chitranshi, hello Tajinder. Good evening. क्या बात है तजिंदर, अमेजिंग. हेलो किरण, हाय लीजा, हेलो सौमिथा, हेलो, वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम टू द सेशन. Now before you move ahead guys, quickly share this video among all your friends so that other students can also join. Quickly share it among all your friends guys, quickly. Hello Bhupesh ji, hello Kavin, Knowledge Journey, Smriti, Tamashri, Nihal, hello bachcha, hello everyone. Alright guys, so as you all know, we have started a new series that is subjective case based question series, and this is for your CBSE 10th. The topic which we are discussing today sorry, is quadratic equations. Hello Bhupesh, hello Mansehaj, hello Mansehaj beta, ठीक है, अच्छा, वेलकम मनसेहत जी, ओके, चलो, hello Aditi. Chalo, so guys, let's focus on the subject today. So quadratic equation, subjective case based questions we'll be discussing. As you might have seen the sample question paper I have, in that there are some subjective case based questions as well, and for on that basis we have started the series. So yes, let us start with some questions. Alright, I am Gopal Paliwal, your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. Alright, for all those students who are new over here. So let's move ahead guys. This is the question. Formation of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation started around 3000 BC with the Babylonians. They were one of the world's first civilization and came up with some great ideas like agriculture, irrigation, writing. There were many reasons why Babylonians needed to solve quadratic equation. For example, to know what amount of crop you can grow on the square field. Based on the above information, represent the following question in the form of quadratic equation. So this is just the history part about Babylonians given over here. Here you have to make the equation. Okay, because quadratic equation में one of the types, sum of the square of two consecutive integers is 650. So we have to make the equation. Clearly it is given guys, form the quadratic equation. So let us say, I'll say my first integer, let's say my first integer is x, so the next integer will be x plus 1, and sum of their squares is 650, so x square plus x plus 1 whole square is 650. So x square is x square, x plus 1 whole square is x square, plus 2x plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 650. You have got 2x square plus 2x, shift 650 over there, minus of 649 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. This will be your quadratic equation. Simple, right? Okay. Next one, a natural number whose square diminished by 84 is thrice of 8 more of the given number. अब देखो, in this question try to make the equation. Read the question once. A natural number whose square, so if we do that square of that number, so let's say the number is x, so its square when diminished means reduced, decreased, है ना? So diminished means decreased. All right, so if we decrease the square of a number by 84, that means from the square of a number, if I subtract 84, I get thrice of 8 more of the given number, 3 times of 8 more than the given number. Alright, so here I can say natural number, the square of a natural number, its square diminished by 84. Its square diminished by 84 is thrice of 3 times of what? 8 more of the given number. So 8 more of the given number is x plus 8 and its thrice. Alright, it would be different if it is thrice of the given number, 8 more than thrice of the given number. Okay? If it says 8 more than thrice of given number, you will say 3x plus 8. Here it is saying thrice of 8 more than given number. So 8 more of given number is x plus 8 and it's thrice of this whole. So now you have got x square minus 84 is equal to 3x plus 24. Shift everything over there. You'll get x square minus 3x and here minus 24 will be equal to minus 108 equal to 0. This is your second quadratic equation. Clear guys? This is your second quadratic equation. Simple, right? Clear? Easy peasy. Okay, right? चलो ठीक है. Let's move ahead. Next case study based question देखते हैं बेटा, factorization method. Alright, what it says? Amit is preparing for his upcoming semester exam. For this, he has to practice the chapter of quadratic equation. So all of you are Amit only right now because all of you have to prepare for quadratic equation. So he started with factorization method. Let two linear factors ax square plus bx plus c will be px plus q and rx plus s. So when you multiply the factor, you get this thing. Now factorize each of the following quadratic equation and find the roots. So at the end we have to use factorization method. At the end we have to use factorization method. ठीक है. So as you all know guys, if we have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, I will split the middle term in such a way such that sum of two numbers we want, whose sum should be equal to b and the product should be equal to c. So here sum should be equal to coefficient of x is 1, product should be equal to 6 into minus 2. Negative is also considered minus 12. So what you will take 4 and minus 3. Right? So it will become 6x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. If I take over here 2x common, I am left with 3x plus 2. Here if I take minus 1 common, I am left with 3x plus 2 equal to 0. You will get 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. That's the factorization. And if you want the zeros from the first factor, x will be minus 2 by 3, or from the second factor x will be equal to half. ठीक है? Simple. Next one, 2x square plus x minus 300. Acha, tell me guys in the chat, what should be the splitting? How should I split the x in this quadratic equation? In the chat box, let me know quickly. How should I split x to get sum as 1 and the product as 2 into minus 300, which is minus 600? कैसे करोगे? Quickly बच्चों. Be quick. What should be the splitting? How should I split it? 600. How should I split minus 600? So that how should I get two numbers such that sum is 1 and the multiplication is minus 600? Very good beta honey, very good, amazing. So honey has given the correct answer. Very good honey. So I'll say the two numbers such that addition is equal to 1 and multiplication is equal to minus 600. Minus 600. So देखो, what if I am at your place, what I'll see कि देखो, if I have to go for minus 600, I can say 60 into 10 will be 600, 30 into 20 will also be 600. 30 and 20 are coming closer. Let's get one more number which will divide 600. You will see कि 25 into 24 is becoming 600. So to get sum as 1, 25 and minus 24, 25 and minus 24. So 2x square plus 25x minus 24x minus 300 equal to 0. Here take x common, you are left with 2x plus 25. Here take minus 24 common. No, minus 24 you cannot take common. Here take minus 12 common. Minus 12 common. getting 2x plus 25 equal to 0. So you have got 2x plus 25 into x minus 12 equal to 0. So from here you got x is equal to minus 25 by 2, or you can say minus 12.5, and from here you'll get x is equal to 12. These are the two zeros, right? These are the two zeros. ठीक है बच्चों? So splitting of the middle term is also an important aspect. Okay, now guys, before I move ahead, let me tell you guys, Vedantu Z-Fest is going on, and in which you are getting flat 50% off up to rupees 2000 on all the courses. Link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. GPE Pro is the coupon code to get the discount, right? 50% off up to rupees 2000. All right, how can you register? Let me show you very quickly. For example, this is the video. Here in the description box, you can see avail all exciting Vedantu courses. Click on the link. It will take you to the registration page. Okay, now at this registration page, you can click here on change. Select your grade, select your grade 10th, and here I have selected CBSE term 2 full syllabus. Now here, if you will see, as we have applied GPE Pro, all right, over here GPE Pro is applied. This is the course for Pro Lite, and this is the course for price for Pro Classic. All right, now you might be thinking, what is the difference between these two courses? देखो, Pro Lite में you are getting live classes, test series, its analysis, assignments, you're getting notes, you'll get doubt solving during the classes, you're getting any doubt, any feature you want to understand in detail, click on that feature, you'll get a video explaining it. All right, in Pro Classic you get one extra feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app. You get access to doubt solving app of Vedantu where you can ask your doubts 24/7. So upon your need you can go for any of the course. Now if you are a student who wanted to try it first, guys, the trial amount has also decreased a lot. Try for 15 days has reduced to just rupees 650, which was earlier rupees 1300, and here 850, which was earlier rupees 1700, right? So you are getting a very good deal right now. Definitely go for it. Now next thing, nature of roots. Let's study this thing, what it's saying. Quadratic equation can be defined as equation of degree 2. This means highest exponent of polynomial. ठीक है, ax square plus bx plus c, a, b, c are given. D is the discriminant. Answer the following question. Nature of roots पे. For what value of k are the roots of this quadratic equation real and equal? This is the most important condition. So here what do you have? You have kx times of x minus 2 root 5, and here plus 10 equal to 0. So if I multiply, I'll get kx square minus 2 root 5 into kx plus 10 equal to 0. So from here you will say a is equal to k, coefficient of x square, b is equal to minus 2 root 5 into k, and c is equal to 10. You want real and equal root, that means discriminant must be equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So minus of 2 root 5 into k whole square minus 4 into a is k into c is 10 must be equal to 0. Minus 2 root 5, 2 square is 4, root 5 square is 5, 4 5s are 20, negative will become positive. So 20k square minus 40k equal to 0. Take k common, you are left with, or 20k common, you are left with k minus 20 equal to 0. So from this you can say there are two factors. If I make 20k equal to 0, shift 20 in division, you'll get k is equal to 0, or k minus 20 equal to 0, you'll get k is equal to 20. Now this value of k will not be accepted. Not accepted. Why this will not be accepted? Because remember guys, a should not be equal to 0. So if a should not be equal to 0, k should also not be equal to 0. So I'll say k equal, oh sorry, k equal to 2, sorry 2 hoga, this will be 2, k equal to 2. Yes, k equal to 2 will be your correct answer. Alright guys, so remember this k equal to 0 will not be accepted. k equal to 2 only will be taken as the correct answer, because if I put k equal to 0, coefficient of x square will become 0 and it will no longer be a quadratic equation. Alright, ठीक है, very well done guys, amazing, amazing. K equal to 2 should be your correct answer. This will be rejected, okay, this will be rejected. Only k equal to 2 will be accepted as our answer, because a should not be equal to 0. Okay, if you have seen anywhere else in your book where k equal to 0 they have accepted, remember it will be rejected, because a should not be equal to 0. So there is only one correct answer. Alright, next one, find the roots of this equation if they exist by applying the quadratic formula. So x will be equal to quadratic formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Guys, remember, subjective exam is there, you have to write the formulas, don't forget writing the formulas. So minus of 6 root 3 plus minus square root of 6 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 60 divided by 2 into a is 2. So this will be minus 6 root 3 plus minus 6 root 3. 6 square is 36. 36 3s are. So 3 6 are 18 power 1, 9 plus 1, 108 minus negative into negative will become positive. 4 2s are 8. 8 6 are 48. 480 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So what you are getting? You are getting minus 6 root 3 plus minus square root of, this will be 588 divided by 4. Now you can prime factorize 588 guys. You can prime factorize 588. So if I prime factorize 588, what I will be getting? 2 times 2 2s are 4, remainder 2 9s are 2 4s, again divided by 2, 1 times 4 times 7 times divided by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 7 times 1. So you can see, you can make a pair of 2, make a pair of 7. So 2 into 7. So square root of 588 can be written as 2 and 7 will come outside the square root, root 3 inside, 14 root 3. So you have got minus 6 root 3 plus minus 14 root 3 divided by 4. If you take 2 common, you will get minus 3 root 3 plus minus 7 root 3 divided by 4. 2 to 4 got cancelled. You will be getting minus 3 root 3 plus minus 7 root 3 divided by 2. So one root is minus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Acha yaar, isko we can solve it. Let's further solve it. So I'll write it over here, minus 3 root 3 plus 7 root 3 divided by 2. So minus 3 plus 7 is 4 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 root 3. And then minus 3 root 3, if I use negative sign, divided by 2, we'll be getting minus 10 root 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 5 root 3. Right? Same thing. Okay, bachcho. So this is how this question will be done. Easy, a direct quadratic formula. Right? Alright. And guys, as I have told you, up to 17th of January, this deal is going on. That means today is the last day for Vedantu Z Fest. So don't forget, this is the time right now. Even if you want to go for the trial amount, now is the minimum trial period, trial amount you are getting. Okay. Honey Singh, yaar, not 4 root 3, 2 root 3, you are making a mistake. Okay. The Yari show, yes, it is correct. Correct, beta, yours is correct. Okay. Hello, Shri Devi Vijay Kumar. Chalo, let's move ahead. Next things, traveling kya hai? Raj and Ajay are close friends. Both the families decided to go to Ranikhet by their own cars. Raj travel at a speed of x km per hour while Ajay car travels 5 km per hour faster than Raj's car. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey of 400 kilometers. ठीक है? What is the speed of Raj car? तो देखो what they are saying कि भाई this is the distance you have, 400 kilometers. Right? Now let's talk about first say Raj. ठीक है? तो Raj's car is moving with what? X kilometer per hour. Raj's car is moving with x kilometer per hour. Alright, so I can say for Raj, distance traveled will be 400 kilometer, which is given. Speed of the Raj is given as x kilometer per hour, and the time taken will be equal to distance by speed, which is 400 by x hours. This is the time taken by Raj, right? Second thing guys, will go for Ajay. ये हमारा Ajay is going with a speed 5 km per hour faster than Raj's car, so he is going with x plus 5 km per hour. So for Ajay, I'll say, देखो, distance is 400 km only, right? Speed is x plus 5 km per hour, and time taken for Ajay will be equal to 400 divided by x plus 5. They are saying it took 4 hours more. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey. So I can clearly say, sir, this equation is telling us that time taken by Raj is 4 hours more than time taken by Ajay. So I can say from that, if I subtract time taken by Ajay, I'll get 4 hours as my answer. So 400 by x minus of 400 by x plus 5 is equal to 4. This is going to be my equation which I need to solve. This is going to be my equation which I need to solve. Okay, I can see I'm not visible completely the equation. I'm making myself vanish so that you can see the equation clearly. 400 by x minus 400 by x plus 5 is equal to 4. This is your equation, guys. Now you need to move ahead and find out the speed of the Raj's car. So we'll find out, right? Equation we have 400 by x minus 400 by x plus 5 is equal to 4. Take LCM. X into x plus 5 is your LCM. Here multiply this 400 with x plus 5, and here multiply with this minus 400 with x only, is equal to 4. LCM I am taking over here. So 400x plus 2000. 400 into 5 is what? 2000. Minus 400x by x square plus 5x. This to this got cancelled, is equal to 4. If I say 4 will cancel over here, by we have 2000 by x square plus 5x is equal to 4. I can say 4 ones are, and it will be 500 times. So finally you have got 500 by x square plus 5x is equal to 1. Cross multiply, you will get x square plus 5x into 1, and minus 500 equal to 0. This is your equation. X square plus 5x minus 500 equal to 0. So how do I get 500 minus 500 when the sum should be 5? So they go 50 into 10, and then I can say 25 into 20. Yes, so it will be x square plus 25x minus 20x minus 500 equal to 0. You got x common, x plus 25 minus 20 common, x plus 25 equal to 0. You got x plus 25 into x minus 20 equal to 0. So you'll get x, which is Raj's speed, as either minus 25 or x as 20. Now guys, you know speed cannot be negative, so this will be rejected, and I can say Raj's speed will be x equal to 20. So Raj's car was moving with 20 km per hour. Raj's car was moving with 20 km per hour, right? And similarly, how much time did Ajay take to travel 400 km? So time taken by Ajay is equal to 400 divided by x plus 5. X is 20, so 400 divided by 20 plus 5, which is 400 by 25, which is nothing but 16 hours. Ajay took 16 hours. Okay? Ajay took 16 hours, and if they ask you how much Raj took, Raj will take 20 hours. Alright beta. Okay? So these are some of the important subjective questions which are there, and yes, you can see guys, subjective questions are not big deal है ना. It is similar to the what do we call it, the application problems, and you just have to read the question and understand it. All right. Also guys, today is the last day for Vedantu Z-Fest. 50% off you're getting up to rupees 2000. Don't forget to enroll now. GPE Pro is the code to get this offer. All right, so definitely go and join it. All right, thank you so much guys. So 10th term 2, I have told you the prices have been reduced a lot. All right, here you can see the trial period prices as well. All right, and dekh lo beta, for CBSE, if you can join now, one batch has already started, and if you want you can enroll for the 24th January, the upcoming batch as well. Take the admission now, start with the micro courses, and then you can definitely join to 24th January batch also. Okay guys, chalo. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much for joining the session, and thanks to all the students who have liked this video. Thank you so much. And if you have not liked the video, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye guys, bye bye to all of you guys.